Today in this video, we'll review the best twister arm exerciser. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The twister arm exerciser is a powerful strength training tool designed for people who want to build upper body power at home without bulky gym equipment. It solves the common problem of limited, non-adjustable resistance by offering a wide 22 to 440 pounds range, easily controlled through a smooth, rotating knob. Built with a durable double-layer steel tube and a stable triangle structure, it delivers safe, controlled workouts with a micro-rebound system that minimizes injury risk. In real use, it's ideal for training arms, chest, shoulders, and forearms, while remaining compact and easy to store after sessions. Pros include strong build quality, fast resistance adjustment, and portability, while beginners may need time to adapt to higher resistance levels. This exerciser is perfect for home gym users, athletes, and strength enthusiasts. Add it to your routine and level up your training today. Thanks for watching.